Hi, Dr. Steve Bjorn here with my last attempt to help you after the workshop. So, you registered for the workshop, you came to the workshop, you filled out your sheet, but you haven't scheduled an appointment yet. You haven't replied back, so you might be thinking it is too far. You have likely watched the videos that I sent you about not having the time to address the issue and not being able to afford it right now. The third problem, the only other thing I can think of, is the clinic is just too far away, and you're viewing that as an inconvenience. Because of this, you likely will schedule an appointment with somebody in your area, a physical therapist, maybe a chiropractor, or acupuncturist, somebody like that. I want to help you through that process as much as possible. The number one thing that you should look for is that this is an expert in your problem that you are having. They may have reviews available. These reviews may say things like, the therapist was really nice, or everybody was very friendly. That's great, but that is not necessarily a sign of helping you address the cause of your problem. What you're looking for when you're reading the reviews are things like, before physical therapy, I couldn't do this. Now I can do this. I feel like I am back to normal again. I couldn't even go up and down stairs, and now I can run 5 miles. Or something like that. A good before and after. That's what you're looking for when you're trying to find an expert. The second thing that you want to make sure of is that you have good information available to you. Are they supplying you with videos or supplying you with resources that you can read or watch to help you get the most out of your care? The third thing I would look for is your actual outcome. Within the first week or two, you should be feeling better about the cause of your problem and feel like you are on the road to getting back to normal. Maybe you're nowhere near 100%, but you at least know that the treatment is effective and that you are moving in the right direction. Perhaps I sent you these videos and life was just too busy. You didn't have time to book an appointment, but now you do. Well, this is your last chance to schedule for a free screen. What you can do is call our office at 817-337-3400 to schedule an appointment for a free screen. You can simply call that number and schedule an appointment. Let them know that you came to the workshop and you want to make an appointment. You're ready to handle the cause of your problem. The other thing that you can do is just reply back to this email, I'm ready to schedule, and I will have somebody from our front desk contact you and schedule the next available appointment. When you come in, you will meet with a physical therapist who specializes in your problem. They will do a thorough exam and take a look at you and what you have going on. They will identify 1 or 2 causes of the problem that you are having. They will also show you what successful treatment looks like, getting you back to living normally again and feeling like you are back to your old self. So call 817-337-3400 or just reply back to this email and we'll get that set up for you.